Hello guys, on today's episode we are going to be solving the following. Now, we're going to multiply or divide these numbers, okay, by 5, 11, and 99 in our head, and that will be very fast. So how do we do this? Now, for you to multiply any number by 5, 11, and 99, or equally divide any number by 5, 11, and 99. It's as simple as this. I'm teaching you guys this for the sake of what? Fastness. This particular channel is to teach you how to be what? How to be very fast with math. And that's the reason this channel is Speed Math. So let's stick right into the video. Now, the first one is 76 multiplied by 5. To start with, 76 multiplied by 5. So how do you do this? Anytime you're multiplying by 5, I will just beg you to simply divide that number by 2. So that means 76 divided by 2. So since 76 is an even number, just divide by 2 and add 0. Okay? So 76 divided by 2, if 2 goes in 7, that's what? 3. Remainder 1. 2 go in what? 16, that's what? 8. And then kindly add 0 and that's your answer. It's as simple as that. Moving on to the next one. How do you multiply any number by 11? So to multiply any number by 11, I will just tell you for free that the first and the last digit must always be there. So that's for a fast way. 3 and what? 4. Okay. Now you are not left to get the one in between. So what you just have to do is you come to this, you add this. 4 plus 1 is what? 4 plus 1 is actually 5. You write it. Now 1 plus 3 is what? Is 4. And that's your answer. So it's as simple as this. So we have gotten the answer to this. Now moving on, the next one is 72 multiplied by 99. Sorry that my book is rough. Just want to make sure I explain this to you guys swiftly. So 72 multiplied by 99. How do you do this? To multiply any number by 99 is as simple as this. That number, especially 2 digits to be precise, that number by 99 just minus 1. So 72 minus 1 is 71, right? So in that case, you're going to be doing 99 minus 71. So 9 minus 7, that's what? 2. 9 minus 1, that's what? 8. And bam, you have gotten your answer. It's as simple as this. Now moving on to the next one. So we have 75 multiplied by 5. So this one, the reason I have to write 75 is because I want to explain using odd number. 75 is an odd number. So now I will divide 75 by 2. 75 divided by 2, which I know that it's not a perfect, it's not going to be divided perfectly because there will be a remainder of 1. So 75 divided by 2 actually is going to be 7 going 2 is what? 3. Remainder 1. 7, sorry, 2 going 7 is 3. Remainder 1. Then 2 going in 15. You know that it's not possible. So that will be what? That will be 7, right? 7 remainder what? Remainder 1. So since there's a remainder of 1, that 1 automatically turns to 5, and that's your answer. Boom. So you can see how simple this. Please, if you're enjoying this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe, please. And please, most importantly, share and subscribe. Very important. And if you're enjoying this video, give it a like, please. If you don't enjoy the video, don't give it a like, but if you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. So I really appreciate. Now the next one is, we're about to divide this number by 11. Now we have seen how we multiply this number by 11. We multiply a certain number by 11. So what if we're asked to divide? Pay attention, pay close attention. Now this is what we're going to do. Remember I made mention of the first and last, right? So I made mention of the first and the last what? Digit. So now, but if you notice there's 0 here, meaning that something transpired here. Something transpired here. So please take note of this. So the first, like the last digit will still be the last digit. That one I know that for sure. That one does not change. Everybody knows that. But you can see together here we have 10, right? Together here we have what? We have 10. So anytime you see 0, just minus 1 from the number you have here. Minus 1 from the number you have here and put it in front. So by the time you do that, we'll now be having, okay, here there won't be anything here again. That will be 0 here, right? So that means this is automatically, you get. So in this case now, still we don't want to be seeing 0. So that means if you remove 1 from this, what is it called? This 10 that we are seeing here, we have what? We have 9. Then we put the 1 back here, right? So by the time we put the 1 back here, we have 18. So that means we have what? 9 here, and we have what? 18 here, right? And then we have what? We have 9 here. Now, mind you, we're adding, going forward, we're adding. I mean, coming backward, we should be what? Subtracting, right? And that from the look of it, you can even see that this thing is now easier. It's now easier in the sense that 9 plus 9 will give us what? 18. So the answer is strictly what? 99. So that is it. Now, moving on to this one. So how do we divide a number by what? By 5. So since multiplying a number by 5 from what we did before, we divided by 2. The opposite of dividing by 2 is simply multiplying by 2. So by the time you multiply this by 2, right? So that will now be 64 times what? 2. And 64 times 2 is 128, right? So when you do 128, you are going to what? You are going to, now that will be 128. Normally, when you multiply a number by 5, you add 0. But now, if you divide a number by 5, you what? You should remove 0, right? So removing 0 is just like saying you move what? Point into this place. So the answer is what? 12.8. So now, let us divide a number by 99. So just like we did for the multiplication, to divide a number by 99 will be pretty easy. Okay, so remember where we multiplied a number by 99, where is it again? So this is it. So dividing this number by 99, this whole lot of number by 99, is as simple as just selecting the first 2 digits, right? So by the time we select the first 2 digits, look at here, when we're multiplying by 99, we minus 1 here, don't forget. So that means the opposite of minusing 1 is to add 1. So that means we are going to add 1 here. So the answer is going to be 36. As simple. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. More videos are coming, more exclusive videos, more videos that will teach you on how to speed up your accuracy in mathematics is coming. So turn on your post notification so that you get any video each time I post. Thank you so much.